All right, my people. There's another at-home workout to get you guys moving, get those bodies moving, get that blood pumping. Okay, get you off those couches. All right, let's stretch up. We'll go just straight up. Make yourself nice and tall. Get on your tiptoes if you want. Good, go to the side. Alright, other side. Good. Let's twist a bit. You twist, you should reach out to the sides. Reach, little twist. Little twists. Alright, good. Alright, here we go. Little circles, little arm circles, going forward. Little, if I go sideways, little, like I'm drawing little letter O's or zeros. Little circles, little circles. All right, now you're gonna go the other way, backward circles, backwards. I'll show you sideways again, backwards. 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go big circles. I'm going backwards first. So big circles backwards. Let's go 10. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we'll go. Shake that out. We're going to go forward. 10 big circles. Big as you can go. Big. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right. Shake that out. Shake that out. All right. Let's get into some moving. Get those knees up. If I show you sideways, I want them all the way up. Nice and slow. Get them up. All the way up. If you put your arms out, you put your elbows at your sides, and your arms straight out, those knees should come up to your hands. Get them up. Get them up. 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 All right. Now, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go quick. We're going to go for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, we brought our legs forward and up. So now we're going to go the opposite. We're going to bring them back. We're going to bring them back. Nice and easy. I go forward. It's nice and easy. Just bring those legs up. It's almost like you're trying to kick yourself in the butt. At school, we call these butt kickers. So we'll go up. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I'll show you. I keep showing you sideways and forward. Doesn't mean you have to turn and do what I'm doing. I just want you to see what I'm doing with my body. Okay? All right, now we're going to go quick. We're going to go for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right. Shake it out. All right, next one. We're going to go with leapfrogs. So your feet are going to be open a little more than shoulder width apart. And if you remember, I told you shoulder width apart are where your shoulders are. If you go straight down, if you draw a line from your shoulders straight down to the floor, that's where your feet are. So if I'm shoulder width apart, I'm about here. But when we leapfrog, you're going to be a little bigger than that. Okay, so your feet are there. You're going to go all the way down. Okay, you can have your hands on the floor. And when I say go, we're going to, from here, we're going to jump as high as you can, and then you're going to land. When you land, I don't want you to stomp on that floor. Land on your toes, a nice, easy, soft landing. Soft landing. So we're gonna go with 10 jumps. 10 jumps. Here we go. And go. 1. All right. 2. Get those knees up. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Come on. 9. And 10. Good. All right. Shake those legs out. Shake those legs out. All right. We're going to go. We're going to keep with our. Ooh, my shoe is untied. We're going to keep with our leapfrogs. Okay, but we're going to do them a little differently this time. So, this is your leapfrog position. If you're going to go down, I'm going to give you a count. So, standing straight up, that's 10. And then all the way down in our leapfrog position, that's 0. Now when I get to 0, you automatically jump right up. But then you're going to jump to your 10 position, which is up here. Okay? And then we're going to count down. So if I'm at 10, and then I say 9, I'm going to go down just a little bit. 8, a little bit more. 7, 6, 5, now it's my halfway. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and up. Good. I'll show you sideways. 10, 9, 8, just a little bit at a time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, stay strong, stay strong. 2, 1, 0, and up. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good. Let's go one more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. That's about halfway. Stay on 5. 6. Oh, now go up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, good. Shake those legs out. That was a good one. You should feel that in your legs right here. You should feel that one in your legs. Good. All right, jumping jacks. We're gonna go with 20. Let's go 25. We'll go 25 jumping jacks. For those of you who don't remember how a jumping jack goes, remember you're starting off in a straight body position. Your legs are together. Your arms are at your sides. And then when you go to jump, your legs are going to go open and your arms are going to go all the way above your head. So when we go up, it looks like this, and then back, and that would be 1. Okay, let me show you one more time. So open here, and then close, and that's 1. And that's your jumping jack. Open and close. Okay, we're going to go a little faster. I'll show you one more time. Open and then close. All right, we'll go 25. 25. And here we go. And go. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Very good. All right. Next one. We'll go with a little jumping. I love doing my jump ropes. I love doing my jumping jacks. I know those were in the last workout, but I try to put those in every single workout because it's the easiest things to do. And those are the things that, and they're fun too. So we're going to go jump ropes, 2 feet together. Keep them together and we'll go for a 10 count. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. We're gonna go jump ropes again, but this time we're gonna switch feet. We're gonna switch feet. So if you watch me from forward, I'm gonna go back and forth from one foot to the next. So it'll go like that. Okay? That's how I'm gonna do that. If I go sideways, if you notice, now you really can't see sideways. But I'm gonna go one foot and then the other foot. I'm gonna keep changing. Okay? Alright, so if I go slow, it's like this. Okay? One foot down at a time. So we will go with another 10 count. 10 count. Back and forth, jump ropes, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right. Do we dare? Let's go with 1 foot jump rope. So I want you to try just on 1 foot. Just on 1 foot. And we're going to go for another 10 count. Another 10 count. All right. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3. Some people like to have that foot forward. Some people like to have it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, other foot. Other foot. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Let's go with some jumps. Keep with the jumping. So I'm going to face sideways. So what I'm going to do is when I say go, I'm facing this way. And when I jump, it's like a spin jump. I'm going to jump, and when I land, I'm going to be facing the other way. Okay, so if I say jump, it'll be like that. Okay, jump. I'm going to spin. Okay, spin. If you're having a hard time turning your body, if you bring your elbow and your arms into the direction where you're trying to go, it'll really help that jump. So if I'm here and I'm going to swing my body this way, I'm going to jump. Okay, that helps my body spin and move. All right, so let's go with 10 jumps. I like 10. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, shake it out. Nice and easy jog. Nice and easy jog. I usually do these for 15 minutes. We got a couple minutes left. So nice and easy. Don't stomp on the floor. Nice and easy. Should be on your toes. On your toes. Let's go with arm circles. At the same time. Can you do it at the same time? Good. Good. Keep going. Now arm circles backwards. Up, but don't stop jogging. Don't stop jogging. See if you can do both at the same time. Good. Good. Circles up high. Keep jogging though, keep jogging. And circles down low. Keep jogging. Keep jogging. And go circles to the side. Keep jogging. And circles to the other side. Keep jogging. And good. All right. Shake it out. Good. All right. We have about 1 more minute. So it's always good. I always like to do a cool down. It'll bring your body back down. So if you touch your heart right now, your heart should be beating a little bit faster than normal. If you touch your chest where you breathe, your lungs where your lungs are, you should be breathing a lot deeper. Okay? Maybe your skin is a little hotter. It's because we're moving. We're moving, my people, which is good. All right, so let's go with, you're going to reach up, and when you reach up, I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose. And then when we bring our arms down, we're going to let that breath out. Good. Up. In through your nose. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. and out. Good, good. That's my 15 minutes. But we're gonna continue with our cool down, One more up. And out your mouth, down. Good, good. Okay, let's try to stretch out our legs a little bit. A little balance. I don't know why this is still going off. Okay, so we're gonna bring that leg up, bring it up nice and easy. Okay, if you can just leave it here, that's fine. Want to concentrate on your balance. Try not to move. Now, if you hop around a little bit, that's okay. Now, if you think you're gonna fall, put that foot down. Start back over. Okay, so we're gonna bring this foot up. If you really got your balance, sometimes I like to put my arms out. It helps with the balance. You're gonna try to bring that leg up. Bring that leg up. Bring that leg up. Good. All right, now we'll do the other one, the next one. Okay, so bring it up a little bit. Catch your balance. And then you're gonna try to bring that knee up towards your chest. Try to keep that balance. 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 Good. All right. Now we'll stretch our legs the other way. So this one, we're gonna bring the leg back. Okay. And if you can grab your foot and bring it up, but keep your balance. If you lose your balance, you're gonna fall. Put the foot down. Start over. Start over. Okay. Keep your balance. Pull, pull, pull. Pull. Good. And the other one. Up. Try to hold that leg up. Keep that balance. Keep that balance. Good. Open really quick up in through your nose. And this time when we let out, we're going to reach all the way down to the middle. We're going to try to go all the way down to the floor and let it out. Stay there. Stay there. Up. And through your nose. Up, 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 up. Hold it. And we're going to go down. Let it out on the way down. Good. Last one. Up. Hold it. Hold it. And all right, good. Well, that's our time today. Make sure to get your water after your workout. Drinking water is really good. Keep washing those hands, and I'll see you next time.